So today we have here amazing dev kings, and I will allow them introduce themselves. Over to you.
My name is Michael, and I'm a software engineer.
Thank you so much. And to our defending champion, over to you, please.
Okay. GM guys, my name is Olajude Samuel.
All right, thank you. So this time around, we will be starting with charade. And in this charade, of course, we are still introducing our twist. So instead of the usual charade where the person answering the question gets the mark, this time around, the person acting gets the mark. So may the best actor win. Okay, so I'll allow you pick your question or pick your word. So I'll start with you, Michael. Alright, so I believe we know the rules of the game. Charade, somebody acts and then the other person gets the action. And like I said, the twist to this charade is that instead of the person answering getting the answer, getting the mark, the person acting gets the mark. So we'll start with you, Michael. You're allowed to act all the six. So when you open the first, you have 45 seconds. You have 45 seconds to answer your question, and then you give me the paper so I can see what you're doing, and then we move from there. So when you're done, he comes up next and this way. Are we good?
Yeah.
Alright, my timekeeper, I hope you're ready. And my record scorer, please ensure this goes smoothly as possible. Okay, your time starts now. You don't have to get it, please. Thank you.
That story. Okay, send your request.
Yeah, close.
Almost there.
Okay, HTTP response.
Almost there.
Close. It's common.
Okay.
Response request. What is that process? Timekeeper. Yeah, close.
Okay. HTTP request and what was it?
API.
Okay.
One mark. It was quite close.
That's close.
Yeah, it was. Okay, so for the second, are you ready?
Yes.
Please be ready. Okay, your time starts now.
Oh, things are thinking. Yeah.
Okay.
Mouse. Start over there.
It's just one word.
Click.
Thank you. That was correct. Okay, next question. See, it wasn't hard to hack and to answer. Alright, your time starts now.
Typing. Keyboard.
Yeah, cool.
Desktop. Laptop.
No, you're going too far. What do you do?
Coding.
No.
Okay, 3 weeks.
What are those things on the keyboard?
Okay, alphabet. Keys.
Not really.
Hey, Uchino.
Yeah, close. Timekeeper, please.
Tapping.
No. Alright, time up. Button.
I used to sing it.
I'm sorry.
I don't play this. I don't play this.
Okay. Alright, next question. Your time. Have you? Okay. Can I have the question? Alright, your time starts now.
A lot.
Thing.
Check word. Somebody should slap you. What do you do?
Bug.
Check word. Timekeeper.
Scream.
You just scream as a tech word.
Get some kind of word we use officially and unofficially.
Time up. The word is react. If they slap you, go react now. You will react. And that will be all. I think I'm helping you people too much. Thank you so much, Michael. So for the previous one, you can give half mark for that container. Alright, thank you. You can have your seat. So now, your turn. Please do well for someone else. Okay. Alright. So you check the word and then the time start counting after the check word. Okay, your time starts now. Hey, look up. Thank you. Next word. It's like these words are really very, very cheap. Okay. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay, your time starts now. Thank you. I don't know if Sam is the best actor or is just very good in answering this. Okay, is that the that's number what? 4. Okay. Okay. Your time starts now. I don't know what they're doing. Time up. Coding is the word. Yes.
Yeah, that is cool.
Okay. Second to the left. Second to the left. Okay. Your time starts now. Yeah, but like an action. Plan. As a tech word. As an action. Timekeeper. No. That's far from it. Okay. Monitoring. Alright, thank you. I guess that has gingered us up a bit. So now we'll move to the next segment. We'll take a very, very short break. We'll be back. Welcome back to this next episode in this segment. And I still have my devs here and they will be answering questions. And this time around it will be within 60 seconds. So the normal correct answers you have will be recorded and of course that will be counted for each person. Okay, I hope my devs are ready. Are we ready? Okay, I think I started with myself, so I'll start with you now. So your time starts now. SI is to contract as interface is to what?
Design.
Wrong.
Pass.
You don't know you can start it. Firewall is to protection as antivirus is to what?
Pass.
Git branch is to feature as merge is to what?
Pass.
Docker is to portability as Kubernetes is to what?
Pass.
Latency is to delay as throughput is to what?
Pass.
HTTP request is to client as HTTP response is to what?
Pass.
Database is to data as account system is to what?
Pass.
Code review is to quality as testing is to what?
Pass.
Framework is to structure as library is to what?
Pass.
Frontend is to client as backend is to what?
Pass.
Frontend is to client as backend is to what?
Pass.
Okay. Git commit is to save and git push is to what?
Remote.
Start correct. Start is to LIFO as queue is to what?
Default.
Correct. Localhost is to development as production is to what?
Life.
Live. Okay. I'll give you. Correct. Encryption is to security as compression is to what?
Pass.
Authentication is to identity as authorization is to what?
Permissions.
Correct. Loop is to repetition as condition is to what? Loop is to repeat a flow as condition is to what?
Pass.
Function is to reusability as variable is to what?
Temporary.
Alright, your time is up. Thank you so much. And now we move to my turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Are you ready, please? Alright. Your time starts now. XML is to file format as JSON is to what?
Pass.
URL is to web address as IP is to what?
Pass.
VM is to virtual machine as Docker is to what?
Containerized.
As Docker is to?
Containerized.
Correct. Database is to persistence of cache is to what?
Store.
Cache. Database is to persistence as cache is to what?
Temporary storage.
Yeah, but there's an exact word I'm looking for.
Pass.
Virus is to system as bug is to what?
Code.
Correct. Compiler is to compile as interpreter is to what?
Interpreter.
Okay.
Interpreter.
No, wrong. Database is to storage as API is to?
Pass.
Node.js is to runtime environment as React is to what?
Pass.
TCP is for data transmission as HTTP is to?
Pass.
MongoDB is for NoSQL, while SQL is for?
SQL. What SQL is for? Structured data.
Yeah, APMA. Relational data.
Visual data.
CSS is to styling as HTML is to?
Pass.
Docker is to containerization as Git is to?
Version control.
Thank you. Correct. Latency is to delay as throughput is to what?
Pass.
Algorithm is to logic as data structure is to?
Pass.
Git clone is to copy as Git talk is to?
Pass.
And that is the end of this segment. So thank you so much for your responses.
Right.
Alright, we will move to the next segment, but before then, we'll take a very short break.